Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. Today we are going to start our grammar portion, and today our topic is about punctuation. Punctuation are symbols, signs used in English writing. They show how the sentence should be read and makes the meaning clear. There are 14 punctuation marks, but most commonly used punctuation marks are such as capital letter, full stop and question mark. For example, I wrote a sentence, Ali is a good boy. So whenever we start a sentence, the first letter of the sentence should be capital. So we have to use this punctuation mark or punctuation, and let's write Ali is a good boy. Now we have to use another punctuation mark, and that is full stop. Whenever we end a sentence, we have to put full stop at the end of that sentence. So it means that our sentence is finished. Next we have question mark. It's another punctuation mark. Now I wrote a sentence, how are you? I ask this question from you. So whenever we ask a question, we have to put question mark at the end of a question. So this is punctuation mark. We use question mark whenever we ask a question. So we put question mark at the end of that question. Now let's do exercise work. Open your practice book, page number 15. Write down day, Wednesday, 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 24th of June 2020. As you can see, here is a heading of punctuation as I discussed with you. Now let's see what's in our support box. Support box is all sentences need to begin with a capital letter. As I discussed, most sentences end with a full stop. As you can see here, we use a question mark at the end of a question, as I shown this example to you. Now question number 1 is write each sentence using correct capital letters. Okay, here we have few sentences and we have to write correct capital letter. These sentences already have full stop and question marks, so we have to write only capital letters in the beginning of a sentence. First sentence is Hassan is a smart boy. So full stop is already here. So what we have to do, we have to write capital letter in the beginning of the sentence. So we have to change the small h into capital H and rewrite the sentence as I wrote. Similarly, in the second sentence, my brother is a singer. So as you can see, the full stop is already here. What we have to do, we have to write capital letter in the beginning of the sentence. So change the small m into capital M and rewrite the sentence. Next we have my mother is pretty. So what you have to do, you have to write this, you have to change this small m into capital M and rewrite the sentence. Next is can we play in the park? So you can see the question mark is already here. What we have to do, we have to change this small c into capital C and rewrite the sentence. Next is why are you shouting and question mark. So question mark is already here. What we have to do, we have to change this small w into capital W and rewrite the sentence. The last one is we saw a blue bird. Rewrite the sentence, but first you have to change this small w into capital W and then rewrite the sentence. I think it's enough for today. Thank you so much, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.